So this is 5th of April and it's second day of this financial year, and it looks like this financial year is going to be very smooth. Okay, just by trading for the 2 days. This is the Nifty chart that is open right now in front of you guys. So it opened here and it opened up like I don't, yeah, it opened gap up, and then it, like from the minimum value it almost covered close to, it went like zero point 0.5 up, and then it went out to a peak of 0.65 up, then it went to a peak of zero point 0.8, and then finally it closed at 0.74% up. But from the previous day closing it's now at 0.91% up. Now let me take you to bank nifty. Here there was some game. Okay, even this index opened gap up and then it fell, and let me tell you, like, okay fine, it didn't fall much but like 0.31%. And see these candles, okay, these were like brutal moves over here, which took my initial uh, call and put stop losses of the smaller stop losses, which are supposed to be directional. Okay, now a small direction came here, but that too of like there was no big use of this. Finally a big move came from somewhere close to 11:15 to 13:15. Okay, so I was thinking, actually I didn't watch the markets today, not even for like half an hour. But now looking at these charts, I'm thinking I'm like, if I was here watching the charts, I would have thought that fine, it's going to go up now because there are two strong breakout candles. Okay, and this is above day's high, and yesterday's high also. So I never this reversal was a brutal one. Okay, and again it closed almost flat. Now let me take you to Finnifty because I traded Finnifty. All right. Now it's a Wednesday. I don't trade Finnifty, but in the next week, I think Friday is again a holiday for Good Friday. Okay, so this coming Friday is also a holiday. So just that tomorrow is the working session, not after that. Okay, so tomorrow is also the quarterly settlement date. So be careful that you have to transfer the funds back into your broker. Just try to do this tomorrow only. Okay, so Finnifty was like it opened gap up and then it went little up and then it remained sideways throughout the day. Let me show you how my PNL behaved. Okay, so okay, before this I'll just show you how the decay came for today. Okay, and all right. So this is the decay graph. Okay, you see Finnifty. Now nobody can stick to this moment, right? This is 15:30. So I closed somewhere here, and after this almost 10 points decay extra that came into the market. Nifty almost the same thing. I closed everything here, and then it gave a further decay. And Bank Nifty also I closed somewhere here, and it gave a further decay. But yeah, rules are rules, and can't do we all can't help it, right? So let me show you my daily M2M chart. All right, so okay, so this was smooth. This was the up move that came, and this was the down move. Okay, so in this region, actually, none of my stop losses were gone. Like from this region to this region, not even one single call or single put SL was gone here. And then because all the three indexes were sideways, my PNL actually started to increase rapidly from here. Okay, because the second half decay was very good in the index today. Okay, so I think that's it. Tomorrow is the Nifty and Bank Nifty expiry. I'm not always very hopeful with those expiries, but let's see how it turns out tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, take care.